Like myself is Jaya Karunesh. Like I'm from Muslim. I did my college in Satyavam Institute of Science and Technology, which is in Chennai. And I'm a BE graduate. Like I did my course in electronics and communications. Passed out in 2025. Like I did develop my interest in embedded system like during my college second year, and I was more interested in electronic products and these things. And then after fourth year, I didn't get placed through my college, and then one of my friends he got placed in Qualcomm. Then I asked about the institute, and he said like I studied in Emertxe and I got placed through Emertxe. Like in my academic, like they used to more focus on theory. Here they also focus on theory, and they are actually like helping us implementing in real time also. Like they used to give more projects and encourage us to do more projects, and we used to do more lead code and these things. So which led building our confidence, and which gave me confidence like I can do good in interviews. I did complete around 10 projects. Then the mentors actually helped me. At first, I was clueless about how to do a project, how to start from the scratch. And then my mentors helped me a lot. And then I gained confidence, and then I did after 4 or 5 projects, I did on my own, building from scratch and these things. And then during placements, they gave me how to speak and how to technically say the things during a project. For example, I did lexical lesson. At first, I'm too weak at stream concept. And then during implementation, I did struggle a lot. But my friends and mentors actually helped me. They helped me to understand how this works the string, how that copying these things and then STRT. Okay, we should do it on our own. Not what to say how to use that inbuilt function you have to create on your own. So at that time we come to how that STRT, okay, this function will work. So like that at first I was too bad at doing that string concept, and then my friends and mentors actually helped me. I have attended around 30 or 35 interviews during my college placements. I was a bit back in programming. And then after joining here, they developed me they taught the fundamentals of C and then C++, DS, and then MC model and these things. And then which I gained my knowledge and gained my confidence, how to appear in an interview, how to speak in an interview, how to deliver the answer in an interview. Then because of that, I got placed in here. Thanks to Emertxe. I got placed in Edgesoft India. They are one of the largest consumer brands in India, and then they mostly develop home appliances like AC, fridge, microwave, and these things, and they also provide solution for vehicle dashboards and these things. I asked my friend who got placed in Qualcomm. He said I studied in Emertxe and I got placed through Emertxe. But still I was asking other friends and things, and one of the friends who studied in other institute, he told Emertxe is also a good institute, better study there. And then I joined here, but I was happy to join here because I got many friends who supported me, and the mentors who actually supported and treated me well. I had so many favors here, which is awesome. Trained me well, and then motivated me, and then which boosted my confidence, and then which led me to crack a good company. Do it with interest, do more projects, which will help you to understand the core concepts, and then do more deep courses, which will also help you understand core concepts. These are the main three. If you are if you are final year, you can actually join here because I don't know how college placements and these things, but here actually they will teach it very well, where it will help in your college placements also. Actually, you can crack interviews and coding those at least very easily. So I definitely recommend you to join. Pursuing final year or after completing, of course, you can join. But don't waste go after 6 months of these things. Join immediately. It will actually help you.